Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are fine and having nice time with your families. Today I'll be sharing with you the recipe of pizza which I made it on the pan and also few moments from my morning walk. Hope you like it. There are some beautiful farmlands around our house at the range of 200 meters distance, so we go now and then for a walk over there. See whom I met today. Some beautiful horses, and this one was very friendly. Didn't feel like leaving it though. The weather was very pleasant today, so we enjoyed the scenic beauty and had a nice walk. Like before, we can't spend much time outside, but we can have a short walk and come back home. After coming back, I made the dough for pizza and kept it aside. For that, I took 1 tablespoon of yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar, adding 1 glass of lukewarm water to that. Now stirring it well and keeping it aside. Now once the yeast is activated, I am adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, salt as per the requirement, and olive oil 2 tablespoons. You can use any other cooking oil. Now we have to knead the dough very soft and keep it aside. I am adding 2 more tablespoons of olive oil on top of the dough and sealing it. I'll be using this only after 4 hours. Now we will prepare the instant pizza sauce. For that I took 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, adding 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, salt and 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of basil leaves. Also adding some paprika powder. You can use red chili powder if you want to. Mix it well and now adding some chopped garlic to that. Mix it thoroughly and our instant pizza sauce is ready. Now we'll prepare our chicken for the chicken pizza. For that I took some olive oil in a pan, added some chopped garlic to that. Now adding the chopped chicken pieces, which I cut into cubes. Stir it properly and wait till the color of the chicken changes from pink to white. Now adding 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, oregano, basil leaves and also some white pepper powder to that. Stir it properly. Also adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce to that. Cook the chicken till it is roasted and keep it aside. Now prepare the toppings and keep it aside. Now the pizza dough is ready. It's fermented well and risen. You can use it after 2 hours as well, but then I left it up to 4 hours, so it's much better, softer. We can easily make 2 pizzas with this dough, so I'm mixing it once again thoroughly and making it into 2 different balls and keeping it aside. You can actually feel the softness of the dough as you're kneading it. Now Now the pizza batter is ready. You can use a chapati roller to make a pizza, or you can even use your hand. I am using the chapati roller. Now adding some olive oil to the pan and spreading the pizza. I already made some holes with the fork. Now making few more to remove the air bubbles. Now flip it over and let it cook the other side also. Now once the both sides are ready, we can spread the pizza sauce. Now adding the pizza toppings, I toss these capsicum and onions to remove the raw flavor. Now adding the roasted chicken cubes. Now adding some grated cheese as per your taste and requirement. Also adding some olives to that. Spread the chicken, cheese, toppings evenly and close the lid. Let it cook in the low flame for another 5 to 10 minutes till the cheese melts. Now the delicious homemade pan pizza is ready. You can serve it hot. I hope you liked watching this video. Do share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you. See you in another vlog. Bye.